Hello guys, let me show you how to add those beautiful fancy subtitles to your TikTok, Instagram videos. Okay, so you see professional adding those yellow, greenish fancy subtitles to their video. This is how to do it. We are going to use Caption mobile video editor for this tutorial. If this is your first time on my channel, consider subscribing and turning on the bell notification. I'm Zach at Opportunities New. We talk about money making opportunities, Facebook and video editing in this particular channel. So let's get started.
Alright guys, if you have been following me for this while or you are my paid student in my mentorship group, you know our favorite video editor is Caption mobile video editor. I fall in love with this editor as the most sophisticated and best editor, and it's 100% free for now. Okay, so now go to your Play Store or Apple Store and install Caption video editor. As you can see, mine has been installed and it's just telling me, you know, to open. Okay, so once you have installed, you can just go and open it. You know, open your Caption video editor, you will see it like this. Okay, so this is for newbie. For those who have been following me and my courses, you know we have been using this video editor for long. So now you just go to create new project, and the next thing is that you bring your video. You must have shoot your video or any video you want to you know, add subtitles to and you want to edit. So as usual, you pick any video you want to edit and add, you know, text title. So this is the video. Actually the raw video is this. You can see this is the one I have subtitled, and this is the raw video actually. So let me put the raw video in. So once you have inserted the video, the next thing I'll have to do just cut off the unwanted part, split and cut off just like usual in our video editing. So let's say I don't need all this preparation time.
So guys, let me show you how. Hello guys, let me.
All right, so this is where the video starts. Hello guys, so I will just split and cut off the unwanted part, and you know, you have to just like do this. If you want to change the color of the video, you do that. But what we want to cover here is the text animation. So as usual, let's here make sure you cut off the unwanted part of the video where you make mistakes and some other things, okay, so that those will not be included in the subtitle you are going to generate.
So let's get started.
So let me cut off this part where I don't want. I'm done with this part. Okay, I think I'm done here. The next thing I'm gonna do is now to generate the subtitle for this video. So, and to generate subtitle for this video, next thing is to go to text. Okay, so make sure if you click on the video before, just click on this arrow to go back. You understand? So just go back, and once you have gone back, you can see you now have the option of type of text as we used to do in our normal video editor. So you click, and once you click, the next thing is you know, you click on auto caption. Can you see auto caption below here? This is the option for auto caption. Okay, so we click on auto caption. Okay, so I will click on auto caption, and you can see the setup here. You see sound source. Is it the sound source? Is it the voiceover, the both original sound? So let's just go with the original sound. As you can see, it has been highlighted. Then the language is English. Okay, yeah, that is English because I'm speaking English. Identify filler words and pauses, so you can highlight this, check this filler words and pauses. If you don't want, you switch it off. Dynamic caption, all these things, just leave them at default. Then the next thing is to hit on the start. Okay, let's hit on start. Let's see the magic. So once you start, you see could not create auto caption. Try again later. You know why? Because I switch off my phone mobile data connection. So you have to make sure your mobile data, you know, is on. I intentionally did that. Okay, so now let me click again auto caption, then I will click on start. You can see it's generated because it will need data, internet connection, to actually, you know, generate this auto caption, and we are about having the magic drop in our video right now. Okay, wow, so that is it. And you can see it's telling you there are some of the words that he detect that they are tone errors. They should remove them. Just forget about it. You can remove them yourself. Okay, you can see the different section it has generated. This is the transcription. So let's just hit on this done. Okay, hit on done. Let's get started. Okay, let's hit on done again. You hit here again. So once you are here, you can see the subtitle section. Each column have been generated, and you can see the text. You can see the subtitle as you are talking. They are writing, but they are not, you know, that visible. They are not beautiful. They are not bold. They are not color. So let's add the fancy stuff to it. Okay, so the next thing is we're gonna do is This is batch editing. Actually, that's what we are doing, right? So but if you want to click on batch editing, you can start coming here to do the batch editing, but that is not what we are going to do. We are just going to do everything at once. So now, how do we add the color and all those stuff together? Okay, this is how we do it. So we click on each of these text section, remember? So now once we are here, the next thing is to click on this pencil icon. Okay, remember the pencil icon, it's always in that place. Look at it there. If you don't want to click there, you can also click on style below here. Look at style, click on style. So now you can see the editing column here. We are here where you can edit. So let's see what is in this column. Okay, so the first thing I would like to actually do is that we go to style, and once you are in style, you click on depending on the type of text you want. For me, the one I use in that particular video, this is it. Okay, this yellow color, and you can see that is the yellow color. So now you can see the yellow color is here, but it's not bold. So the next thing is to adjust the size, the size. So look at the size here. Remember, we are under style, and we are on this is like kind of shadow. Okay, let's adjust the text size first. So let's have something like this. Okay, so now you can see I've adjusted the text size. Another thing is that I want to change the font, the type of font. Okay, so remember, in our video editing, please, if you are a newbie in video editing, you can take my free or paid course. I have a paid course on how to edit videos, create animated videos. Okay, it's very cheap. You go to the description of this video and chat me on WhatsApp. You see my WhatsApp link. Please don't chat anybody on comment section. Don't allow scammer to scam you. Okay, and also I have free complete CapCut video editor for free on this YouTube channel. Okay, just check around. So now look at here. Are you seeing it? Go to font. I want to change this font. I don't like this font. Let me on my mobile data. So I will go to font. Please, you need mobile data to operate most of the feature of this editor. Okay, so I will go to font. So once I'm in font, let me look for a better font. So let me look for something. I can't remember the one exactly I used in that video, but it's something very bold and converged. Let me use that word. So let me look for a good font. Not this, actually. I don't like this. This is okay, but not that bold. So you just have to look for a font. This is too big, that suits you. Okay, just look for a font that suits you, okay, that you like. Okay, let me go with this. Okay, let me go with this Ferrari. Okay, so once I'm done, anything you are doing, once you are done, you click on this okay here. So now that I've chosen my font, note that this font I've chosen, it will go through the whole video. Okay, it will go through the whole video, but I think that font is the size is too big. So I'll go to style again. I will now go to style, then I will reduce the size. Okay, so now this is how I did it. So the next thing I was gonna do is that, let me go to not split, let me go to style again. So I would like to the shadow, the stroke. So in editing in CapCut, you come to this stroke here. The strokes are these ones, but just come to stroke, click on stroke. So now you can see, let me select this yellow. This is the yellow that has been selected in that video. Okay, this yellow stroke. So you can change it to red. You see some people using this color red. Are you seeing my screen? So you can do and undo. But if you want to select your own personal color, not these ones are the original design, you can just use them. But if you want to do your own from scratch, all you need to do is come to this stroke that is being highlighted. Okay, under style. Remember, we are under style. So now let me say I want the one I use there is actually this yellow, right? So now this yellow, you can see the black I use, the border, I mean the stroke border, it is black. That is, if you look at this text here, at the border, at the edges, there is black color. So, but my own black color was thicker than this. How do you do that? You click on the color. Remember, you are on stroke and you are on this color. So now the stroke thickness, look at it here. Are you seeing it? So now you just adjust it. Are you seeing? If I adjust it, it will be very big. Are you seeing my screen? It is now very big. It is now very big. So I can leave it at maybe 70 or 80 or 50. 65. So let me leave it like this. Are you with me? So now we have end up in adding the stroke, which is the edges black color. So let's play.
Let me show you how to add those beautiful fancy subtitles to your TikTok, Instagram videos. Okay, so you see professional.
All right, guys, so now the next thing I would like to adjust in this text is that some of the correction, please don't forget, some of the words that are not correct, you make sure you adjust them. Then the next thing, if you watch my real video, you will see that I used another color in some of the text, like TikTok. When I make sure TikTok, I use another color. How do you do that?
Let me show you how to add those beautiful fancy subtitles to your TikTok, Instagram.
So in this place, I say TikTok. If you watch my original video, I use pink, and Instagram I use purple. How do I do that? I will just click on this section of that text for the editing. So once I click here, I will go to style as usual, and then now look at the word here. I will click here. I will highlight TikTok, for example. Remember, I click here and I highlight TikTok only. I want to change the color of only the TikTok as a word, not the entire subtitle. Okay, so I will just have to now click on style here. Remember, I'll click on style. Remember, TikTok has been highlighted, and now I've clicked on style. So now the text color, that is what I'm going to deal with. So these are the text color. Remember, if you want to edit text, you are under text. If it's stroke, you go to stroke. So now the specific editing for that text, I've highlighted TikTok, then I'm going to scroll to get the pink color. Okay, the pink color. So this is the color I use, I think, in that particular TikTok video. So if I want to remove the stroke, okay, the stroke, when I say the stroke, remember the border, the edges color, which is black right here, that is the stroke. So all I got to do is click on stroke here. Remember this stroke, then I will just have to click on this sign to remove that one for that TikTok that I've highlighted. Okay, if I want to edit for part, so you can see the stroke have been removed for only the TikTok. So that is how to do specific editing for one word in the whole subtitle. So for the Instagram now, if I'm to change the color of only the Instagram as a word, not the entire column, then I will just have to highlight Instagram from here. Remember, I just click and hold here. I click and hold to highlight the word Instagram. It has been highlighted. Now I want to edit only that word. So whatever I'm editing now is going to be on that particular word Instagram. So I will just go to the color, also the text color. Let me click. You have to click on text first, okay? Then I will now go to color. Sorry, please, a mix up here. I'll click on Instagram to highlight it, and I will now come to color. I will select pink, purple. So this is what I did to achieve that. Okay, if you want to even increase only the word, the size of the text on Instagram, you can click here now and see it will adjust. Okay, so guys, that is how to do it. Specific word editing among the subtitle. So you see, if I play this video now,
add those beautiful fancy subtitles to your TikTok, Instagram.
So now you can see I have my TikTok without stroke at the edge. So you can do and undo. So the next thing I would like to show you in the subtitle text editing on CapCut here is how to add this shadow. If you watch my original video, you see this shadow. Let me show you. Let me go back to my gallery and show you my original video. Okay,
let me show you how to add those beautiful fancy subtitles.
So if you see, look at here. Look at here, this green color at the bottom, those are shadows. You can make it any color. Those are the shadow I'm talking about. So let's go and add them here. So now, shadow, let me go to the beginning. Remember, always go to the beginning as far as you want the whole feature you are editing to go throughout the subtitle. Once you put it once, it will now go through all the words in the videos. Okay, so now I will come to the beginning, then I will click on style again, and now I will now go to shadow. Look at shadow here. Are you seeing it? Shadow is there. You click on shadow. Please don't highlight any word because you are not editing for a single word. So I'm not highlighting any of this word, please. I'm just sorry. So I'm not highlighting any word. I'm doing editing for the whole, for the whole stuff. for the whole subtitle. So now what I'm gonna do is I will go to shadow, then the shadow, I will now click my shadow color. So from here, these are the colors. You can scroll to see more of the color. These are the colors, as you can see. So I think I use green in that shadow of that video, right? So now these are the shadow color. You can adjust the opacity of the shadow, that is the overall view of the shadow color. So now remember, I go to shadow, then see the opacity here. You can click hold here and drag to adjust it how bold is going to be. If I take it to the S0, it is going to disappear. If I put it to the N, 100 is going to be more bolder. So you can see there is green shadow in those texts. So let's play and see.
Let me show you how to add those beautiful fancy subtitles to your TikTok, Instagram videos, okay? So you see professional adding those yellow, greenish, fancy subtitles to their video.
So guys, that is how to do it. You can equally change the go to style. You can equally come to shadow and change the shadow color like I told you. You can change it to red, you can change it to black, you can change it to anything you want. Okay, so even in the text color that I told you, you can come here and design your own stroke color. So if you don't like any of this color that are here, you want a special color, all you need to do is click on this color rainbow here. Okay, you click on it, and once you click on it, you can see you can adjust any of your color. Once you drag it like this, it will not take effect. Click here, you can see the white, you drag it. Are you seeing it? So you can, this one is affecting the stroke. Okay, so likewise text, you can do similar to select your text color, but CapCut have made it easy that all the colors are already here. If you go to text, all the colors are here. If you come to stroke, all the color are here. If you come to canvas, all the color are here. So for other features, you already know how to use it. I just say let me show you how to add fancy text to your text editing. Okay, so you see some video, let me just tell you, see some video whereby a text, just single text will be here. Only single text will be displaying at a particular time. How do you do that? You come here, let's say I zoom in this entire face. I want only let me show display without others coming here. All I need to do is to click and split this to edit. In particular, I will split this text, split it. Let's say let me show you how to, let me show you, that is the only text I want to display at the upper part. So I will click the text body, then I will split. Once I split, I will come to that first column. I will now go to start to edit it. So I will delete other ones. Okay, let me show you, that is the only one I want to be there. I will say let me show you. Are you seeing what I'm doing? So let me show you. Are you seeing it? So I can drag it, hold here, hold here. I will hold the surface to drag it and position it anywhere I want. If it's only one word, you can drag it and position it anywhere you want. So you put only one word. Are you seeing it? Let me show you how to add those beautiful. So you can see, let me show you, is not in a particular column, so it will give you more rooms to edit a particular text. You see some people doing video, they will not talk, but they will be pointing at the words. This is how you do it. You put the words in the position you are pointing at. If you want a second word, you come here, you break it, you split. When you split, then when you split, you go to that particular, you can see this one now, split this one, go to style, then change the word, remove other words, and leave only the word you want to display in this particular area. So guys, that is how to add fancy text. Please just play with these things, play with everything, you will see how it works. That is the whole magic behind those things. And please, you can subscribe and turn on the bell notification and like this video. Remember that I'm the video creator. I have over 3,000 students who are under me creating advertising videos. You can check the description of this video to see my link. You can chat with me on WhatsApp. Okay, so consider subscribing and turning on the bell notification as we drop more tutorial on video editing, Facebook advertisement, and make money online tutorials. Thank you.